Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. It's been a long time since I uploaded them one, but finally I have a new car. I installed a new subwoofer literally, and here's my video of it. It's my car. The interior a bit messy. I need to clean the car, but yeah, I wanted to make a video. This is the driver's side, the switch for the subwoofers, voltmeter, and the sub level. A radio, a crappy Sony one, but it does the job for now. So my dices, yeah. And then in the back we have the Soundstream Turtle TXI 2000T, I think it is. 2000 watt RMS and 1 ohm. I wired him on 4 ohm to give 1100 watts RMS. Then my old Raveland XCA 1000 amplifier for my two front speakers. Two front speakers are from Hertz. Built them in there with a tweeter. Yeah, I will show you a demo. Blue lights underneath and in the back also, but they are sound reactive. And start the car. Let's clean the lens a bit. It's a bit messy. As you can see, 14 volts, and it stays around to the same voltage, so that's very good. YouTube, man. What? Spatty. Yeah, it's my brother-in-law. Yeah, I will put this song on. I don't know if you know it. Beady Body. Very nice song. Hello. subs are smelling a bit. Just bought them, so they're still breaking in. I hope you enjoyed my little movie. I don't say little because it's quite long. But yeah, this is my new car. Yeah, new. I've got it for I think 5 months now, and I really enjoy this car and my new subwoofers. Before these Pioneers, I had the Kicker Solo Classics, but I didn't like them very much because they lasted a month and then they broke, so they were not good. So yeah, thank you for watching my movie, and see you next time. Comment please. Thank you. Bye YouTube.